Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring the recording is usable. Record in a quiet room with a decent mic and set sample rate to 44. 148K HC. Once done, export or save the raw audio as WAV or FLAC to avoid compression artifacts. Make sure you label the file clearly and check levels for clipping. If you hear distortion, re-record a short sample. These steps reduce noise and improve word recognition accuracy when you run the transcription. Now you feed the clean file into a transcription tool. Pick an automatic speech recognition model that matches your needs, such as a high-accuracy cloud model or a private offline engine. Upload the WAV/FLAC, select language, and enable punctuation and speaker diarization if you need separate speakers. Once the transcript is generated, read through while listening to align timestamps and fix misheard words, filler noise, and punctuation. Make sure acronyms and proper names are corrected for final use. Finish by exporting the clean transcript to the format you need, whether plain text, docx for editing, or SRT/VTT for captions. Then format paragraphs, add timestamps and speaker labels, and run a final QA pass while listening to critical segments. If automated transcriptions still have accuracy problems, try noise reduction or a higher quality model, or send audio to a human transcriber. These steps resolve persistent errors quickly and ensure your final text mirrors the recording.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.